What's up, team? I know we were supposed to have a Zoom class today, but with the Wi-Fi being all spotty and things like that, I think it'd be better to do this. I also think that we've had a pretty crazy week, right? Maybe you're feeling sore in some new areas. Maybe you're feeling muscles that you never even knew you had. So I think today, instead, it's going to be better to do a nice mobility flow. And we actually do that with the Strong Feels Good program, right? So you have your 5 days of workouts like this, nice and structured. It's a rest day. We have a mobility flow that you can follow along with. And then we also have the Sunday Zoom workout. So I think it's going to be good today for us to just really take some time and stretch our entire body out. So let's hop on back. We'll put on some soothing music. And let's inhale all the way up. Exhale, bring the elbows back and down. Take a moment to feel those sore muscles. Exhale, bring it back. All the way up. Bring it back. Let's bring those hands together. Let's lean to the right side or the left side. Hold. Feel a nice stretch in that lat. Switch to the other side. Switch it over again. And one more time. Let's take that head, circle it all the way around, dropping your ear to each shoulder. And circling around to the other side. Amazing. Let's come down to our hands and our knees. Tuck the toes, okay? We're gonna arch the back, push through around the spine. Really take your time with each movement. Oof, really breathe. And again, maybe you're feeling some areas in your back. I know I'm feeling it right now and I'm sore. Awesome. Let's keep those toes tucked under if you can. Push back into your child's pose, hands nice and wide. Take your right arm over the left and hold. Nice stretch again in that lat also. Switch to the other side, hold. Back to the middle, hold. Again, push through those palms. Let's float back up to the hands and the knees. One hand behind your head, open up. Place your hand down, one hand behind your back. And again, maybe you hold at the positions a little bit longer than usual. Awesome, let's do the same thing on the other side. Open, place it down, rotate. Awesome, let's push back into a downward dog. I want you to pedal out the feet, really sink down into each heel, push through the palms. Sink it down, breathe it out. Now we're gonna roll it on forward, nice and slow, drop it down, take your fingers, TP them out. Chest up nice and tall. Dip your left arm down. Bring it back up, dip the right arm down. Really taking your time with each movement and breathing. Noticing how your body's feeling. Awesome, let's lay in our stomach, right arm bent, right leg bent. We're gonna cross it around. This is actually called a scorpion stretch. It's one of my favorites. You get a nice stretch in that shoulder and the leg. And again, continue to notice different muscles you might be feeling. Switch it to the other side. Hold it. Back to the middle, chest up tall. Bring the toes up, let's sway them side to side. Push back into your downward dog, pedal out those feet. Awesome. While we're here, I want you to push those toes, lift one leg up, open up the hip, okay? Try and push evenly into your palms. Hold, just let the hip open. Awesome, we're gonna take that leg outside that left hand, okay? And if you feel like it's available to you, drop down to your elbows, and we're gonna circle it around a little bit. You always have the option to drop this back knee down to the floor. Circle the other way. Awesome, back up to the hands. Chest up nice and tall, lunge it out. If you feel like it's available to you, bring the back leg up. Tuck the pelvis under and hold. Must feel good to stretch, right? Maybe you're feeling that in your quad right now. You're like, oh shit. Yeah, feel that. Hands down, pedal out the feet. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Lift the leg up, push evenly through the palms, and hold. Let's bring the leg through, right leg outside of right hand. Drop down to the elbows if it's available to you, circle it around. Holy sore. Anyone on this side? Shit. Circle the other way. Come up to those hands, push, put the knee back down. Tuck the pelvis under, hold. Breathe. It's good to just stretch, right? This rest day, this mobility day, this stuff is good for your body. You need time to heal. You need time to stretch. This is going to help you on your journey even more than you think. Just some people think you just got to keep going. That's not the truth. It's not the truth. That's not how you see results. Awesome. Let's lay down to our back. Cross one leg over the other, lean it back. Grab to the inside of your leg. If you're feeling good here, lift up and down with this foot, and you can point and flex the toe. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Oh, soreness in the hips, holy shit. Lift it up. Maybe you're cursing while you're doing this too, I don't know. Amazing. Let's lower both feet to the ground, hands on your belly. I want you to shut your eyes right now. I want you to listen to the sounds around you. I want you to look behind your eyelids and see the red or the whatever colors you see there. I want you to smell with your nose. What do you smell? Taste in your mouth. Maybe it's the coffee from this morning. Let's repeat that one more time. Hear, see, nose, taste. Take this moment to just be here right now. We don't take enough time to do that sometimes, to just be present. Let's finish off with our 3 deep breaths. Inhale all the way in. Exhale it out. Inhale it in. Exhale it out. One more time, all the way in. All the way out. Let's be here now and set that intention for the warrior week. And knowing that it's going to be tough, but you're going to be able to push through it, right? Because you're way stronger than you think you are. It's coming up. Give yourselves a round of applause. What I want you to remember to do right now is to go fill out your schedule, know exactly when you're gonna be working out, note the times, post it to the Facebook group, okay? Set that intention for the week, set that schedule for the week, okay? 7 more days. You can do this, right? This is not only gonna be the beginning. This is not just the beginning, okay, of this journey with this 14-day challenge. This is the beginning of a whole new life for you. And knowing that you can make time for yourself, and that you can have a community, and that you can have great workouts and feel really damn good. And strong feels good. It really does. So I'll see you all later. See you in the Facebook group, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.